Morning through the zinc roof, one line in the air. Mama in the doorway, calling us to share. Old man on the corner knows what time can do. When the whole yard listens, it can carry you. No need for 1,000 trying to be the flame. One small word can travel and still arrive the same. One voice, hear it all through town. One voice, lift the broken down. Oh, one voice, strong enough to stay. One voice, make the walls give way. One voice. Schoolyard by the mango tree, feet in the dust. Everybody talking, but nobody can trust. Then you said my name clear, like a drum at dawn. And the fear I was carrying started slipping on. Not a crowd, not a thunder, just a steady call. One true note can gather, hold all the soul. One voice, hear it roll through town. One voice, lift the broken down. Oh, one voice, strong enough to stay. One voice, make the walls give way. If you sing it softly, if you sing it brave, if you sing it for the one they try to misbehave. Every fence gets smaller, every chain gets thin. When one voice says forever, the rest step in. One voice, hear it